Hello, my name is Jay Sadibayli. I'm really excited to be part of CAN Roof Construction. As a first-generation immigrant, I grew up with strong work ethic and desire to succeed. I have graduated from ADA University with Business Administration degree. I hope I will bring all the skills I have learned there to the CAN family. I am 22 years old and I choose to work at CAN Roof Construction because of the company's culture, customer care, and focus on the quality work. I am passionate about giving the best possible service to our customers, and I believe CAN family shares the same values. In my free time, I like playing the table tennis, but when it comes to work, I am focused and driven to give the best possible service to our customers. Hi, Mrs. Mosman. I just wanted to follow up with you and make sure you are happy with the work we did on your roof. Is there anything else we can help you with? Customer satisfaction is a top priority for me, and I can't wait to see what we will accomplish together at CAN Roof Construction. Thanks for watching, and be sure to follow us for more updates on CAN Roof Construction.